Hey guys, it's ERBOI, and my room is looking a little bit empty. And now, so does the garage. Yep, I definitely have some explaining to do. For starters, me and my brother officially moved out of our parents' house, which not only puts us closer to Oklahoma City in order to check out the car scene there, but it also means that we can make a whole bunch more interesting videos and do a lot more stuff now that we're on our own. Another thing that is good news is that now I should, hopefully without any empty promises, will have more time available to create videos, and we'll go back to doing other stuff such as roast videos, list videos, and also diversifying my content a bit so that way we could bring new people in while also having some good old-fashioned style videos to celebrate all of you who have stuck with me for the past year. This also plays into the fact that I bought a new camera, some new camera add-ons and equipment, as well as a new project which will usher in a new era to all of the motorized vehicles that I have in my possession. But that's just me talking about everything that's been good so far, because don't get me wrong, there's also been some stuff that's been bad. Because obviously, I have not had much time on my hands with helping to move everything into this new place, as well as juggling 2 summer classes and working 30 hours a week. But, to top everything else off, the Sentra is broken. It also has been broken for about 2 weeks, and we just barely managed to limp it here, because what happened was the alternator failed. And not only did that also mean that the belt tensioner for the alternator is now bad and needs to be replaced, but if you remember my cringy exhaust install video about a year ago, we ruined one of the bolts on the alternator because it is held in via a captive nut.
That bolt head is so fucked up I can barely get the wrench on it.
So, you're going to get a very interesting video that will involve some drilling and probably a lot of cursing as we try to fix it ourselves without the use of a shop. But even though I can probably say that this is the most I have hated my car in my entire ownership of it, I'm still not going to give up on it as a project, even with this other supposed project that I currently own. And hopefully, once we get that alternator fixed, we can move on to some really, really big things that are happening for it, so that way I can finally show off to all those people who said that I should sell the car or get something better. But since I'm very tired of rambling, let's just do a quick house tour. This, as you can see, is my room where I do my sleeping, video editing, and homework. Then you go down the hall, and we have Rice Man's room where he does his Focus ST related things. Then after that, we have an extra bedroom which also doubles as a video game room. We kind of have some stuff that's just strewn about here since we're still unpacking. This is my bathroom. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but this is where you can find all of my old content. And then we have this nice living room with this used table that we got for a steal, which also connects to our other area where we have a nice TV and all of our video game systems like our N64 and such. Then after that, we have our combination kitchen, laundry room, and pseudo-eating area, where we have all of our food preparation stuff in order to make fried rice, rice pilaf, coconut rice, rice cakes, Rice Krispie treats, you name it if it has rice in it. And then we like to eat breakfast at this little table, and as you can see, I'm putting use to the salt and pepper shakers that Mike J gave me a couple months ago. I don't even remember myself when I got them. And this is the washer and dryer and our storage closets, just boring shit. And then, if we go out of this door to the back, that's pretty nice. For this place being a rental, which I don't think I've already said, there's actually a lot of space back here. We have a newly enclosed fence. We have an included basketball hoop. We have a bike that I'm storing for one of my friends at the university where we just decided to put that there. Sorry if you're watching this. And yeah, we have enough space for activities, 2 concrete pads. Just good space to work around with. And then, after all of my terrible narration to describe this house, we have our 2-car garage, which I am now filming from this angle, because if I film from another angle, you might see another thing that I have stored here. But we're not going to focus on that. We're going to focus on the fact that we have all of our yard equipment here, all of our tools, this broken hunk of patina-covered shit, as well as our bicycles and other random shit that we don't know where to put anywhere else. And now here's a look of the outside of the place. As you can see, we have our front door, some bushes, my current loaner car. But yeah, it's really not bad at all for a starter house. And most importantly, it's a springboard to a whole bunch of new stuff for both me and my brother in becoming kind of adults. So hopefully for real this time. I mean it by saying we have a lot of fun stuff coming. And stay tuned. Well guys, thank you for putting up with me. And I'm very sorry for rambling. But I do have a lot of good videos coming, even though most of them have been pre-recorded in case if you do get some deja vu. But, as always, thanks for watching, and peace out.